Our team of teachers and alumni teach our students in university-style classes, work on personal development, mentor them, teach them about American culture, and we continue to work with them when they're in university, guiding them all the way into their careers. Charles mentioned that this was a big initiative of mine when I joined the organization, and I'm really happy that this year we started building what we're calling our Alumni Success Team, a group of people who are going to work with our students regularly to make sure that they squeeze every bit of success out of
the size of the intake of students, which is tremendous. He also increased the fundraising from a situation where I used to personally fund about 90% of the budget and now fund significantly less than that. And a lot of that came from the students, which is very commendable that the students are contributing, I think, approximately 25% of the budget.